Busy morning, no time for breakfast? I get it, same here. Hello everyone, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health with Sakekasu. Today, we will make Matcha Super Ball. This Matcha Super Ball is packed with protein, prebiotics, B vitamins, amino acid, folate, zinc, and even more because of Sakekasu. Sakekasu is a byproduct of sake brewing, and as I just mentioned, it's packed with nutrients. And this Super Bowl is my shortcut to nourishing and delicious smoothie. So are you ready? Let's get started.
Here are all the ingredients. Place the sakekasu in a bowl with matcha. Gently mix them together. Make sure to mix the sakekasu and matcha until they form a smooth paste. Now it's becoming a smooth, beautiful paste. Time for fun! Let's make dumplings! This is my tips. You can make even better dumplings if you imagine a circle in your mind. And by carefully shaping it, you'll get a perfect dumpling. Done! This is a Super Bowl! They may look like moss, but they are packed with nutrients. Add the bowl to the blender. And the milk of your choice. Turn on the blender and blend until smooth. Add any ice cubes you like. I made mine with beet juice. Now it's a perfect smoothie. I make matcha super balls over the weekend, so I'm ready for busy weekdays. And they are also perfect for slow and peaceful Sunday morning. Now it's time for tasting. It tastes like matcha with a savory kick and aroma from sakekasu, and the beet juice adds natural sweetness. No sugar needed.
How was Matcha Super Bowl? If you want delicious matcha smoothie in under a minute, this recipe is for you. And drop a comment below if you did try this. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my recipes. So thank you for watching and see you next time!